Oi everybody, we're back. Hello, how you doing? My name is Psycho Rodent. I'm here, Psychotic Rodent. I'm here. Ah. Oh, I'm tongue-tied, sorry. Playing Klonoa. 2. Klonoa 2? Yeah, Klonoa 2. It's raining outside. In the game. Ah, whoa, okay. My controls got a little bit bonked. For some reason. I don't know what was up with that. I remember this level. Yeah, I remember this level. I have to have good timing. Hip, hip. Quality comedy right there. I promise you. Ah. These guys are like Gordos and Kirby. They don't die. They're just invincible. You can't hurt them, but they can hurt you. That's basically how they are. And they're stupid. Well, they're not stupid. They put like... They make it hard. Yeah, I know I need them. Ugh, this game is so good. I love it. Oh. I'm not quite sure what that is right there. If there's anything up there of importance. But I'll be back to get it if there is. Oop. Well. I'm going back. There you go. Life. Need this. This was always a cool concept. Well, I did like this concept about the game. Like those little guys, they jump really high, so you can grab them. Whoop. I need to fly up. And I need you to come back. Oh. Stop it, Nagapoko, I don't need you. Oh no. Oh, I do? I need this guy. Alright. I don't remember how I did this before. Oh, come on, I made it up there before. There we go. I think I did it a completely different way than I just did it that time. Yeah, because I just made that jump. Did I ever say how charming the music in this game is? It's very charming. Oh yeah, by the way, it's really cold. We do have the heater on, but it's not doing a very good job. Did it. Especially where I am right now in the house. It's really cold. I got an A. I didn't do it again. Stupid. The circuit's music. I know I said something about it before. But yeah. So, weird things happen. So me and my friend, his name is AJ, by the way. We started playing Mega Man and Bass and stuff, as you saw by the first episode that was uploaded a little bit before. But I'm gonna take you just in case. I know I've done this before, but I'm gonna take you just in case. I completely failed that. I still completely failed that. Did it. Yeah, we're playing, we played Mega Man and Bass, but we also wanted to do more playthroughs. Like, we also got, Mega Man X1 coming out, where the system that I used it on completely screwed up, so, it's like the screen is in the top left corner, but the only reason we're still using it is because weird things happened. And I don't know why it happened, but it just did. So, and I kind of want to show off those weird things that happened. I need you. Okay, I need you to leave. So I need to get up here. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Do I need to use you? Oop. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. I need to remember this, to be honest. Ugh, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I'm doing something wrong here. Oh yeah, that's right, I can make it back in there. Okay, wait. Whoop, I'm being thrown around. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. See, that's smart. That's why I like this game so much. It's smart. Oh, I need the guy back. Oop, 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 oop. Like, I don't know what else I can say about that, except that it's just smart. Need this. Alright, there we go. Yep. Let's just not be stupid about this, to be honest. So I have a lot of other games coming, by the way. I think I'm going to play. Me and AJ. We already said about Mega Man X, and I did fix it, by the way. So it is full screen now, but that one episode's still going up because of the weird things that happened with it. But I need to get up there somehow. Well, I broke that. Whoop. Couldn't make that. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Is there something that I'm missing out here? Can I make... Probably. Do something there. I'm wondering if there's anything in there. Again, I should remember this, but I don't. I need to get up there. Loop, loop. Loop. Loop, loop. Alley-oop. So I just need to use this guy to get up there. But how? Can I? Oh, I can. Oh, okay. Okay. Whoop. Did it. Now I just need you to get back up there. Did I just hover 2 times? I did. That was weird. Getting blown up. Whoop, 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 whoop-de-doop. I can get that. I'll get that. Ding-a-ding-ding! It's 4. That means there's one more somewhere that I need to get. Oh, there it is. Bloop. Getting up there, 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 getting up there. Oh. It doesn't even matter. Got it. I'm smart. That's a false statement. I'm actually kind of dumb. Alright, should I do another one? Because it's starting to get to the point where they take forever. I don't know if I should do another one. Should I do another one? I don't know if I should do another one. I'll do another one. Cause why the heck not? I don't know. I was actually thinking whether or not to do another episode of this, because I'm uploading this one every other day. But, yeah, I'll do another one. I'll give you guys as much content as I can. Wagga wagga wagga. I like making weird noises, by the way. Oh, I remember this one. Because I kind of just did it a little bit ago. Yeah, if you don't know, I am replaying this game for the reason that on my Game Boy. That is. Why can I not jump? I recently picked it up on my Game Boy. I don't need you, Nagapoko. I thought something happened and I got scared. Well, you know, I can attempt to be good at this, or you know, I can attempt to suck. And there we go. Let's see. Let's see if I can beat this one in record time. Oh, well, you know, I can't even push you away. This is good. That actually will push him down. There you go. Yeah, you can go back up there. Wow. What? Don't you think these things look adorable, by the way? Look, these are the conductor moo-moos. This is the conductor moo-moo I was talking about in like my first episode. Whoops. Oh no. Oh no. What? I have school tomorrow at oh, stop it. I have school tomorrow at 10 in the morning. So I'm going to cram these episodes in, see if I can get as many as I want, because I want to stay true to my recording time. I had to take that damage because I was stupid. Oh, I didn't have to take that damage though. Ugh, I have to get you back, by the way. Because that's why. It's not taking any more damage. Because if I take any more damage, I will die. Don't want to die. Because I need to complete this. I'm a healthy boy, I swear. There you go. Come back here. I need you. I need your sweet embrace. Oh, there's a thing over there. I need that. I need that. I need that. I need you. Oh, that was actually a close hit. I know I have an extra hit now, but like seriously, I don't want to take any hits. And I took a hit. Wasn't that nice? Oh, I know how to get that. If I could stop being dumb, you know? That would be nice. Stop being stupid once in a while in my life? Ain't that funny? So we have 3 pups. We have 3 pupper snups, and they, oh, don't get hit by the little thing. I don't even know what its name is. Is that life worth it? It's worth it. And they are, yeah, my pupper snups, they are getting fleas. You know what that means? I'm getting fleas. I have like one big red spot below my belly button, and it sucks because it's just there and it hurts. There we go. And that should be good enough. I probably went way over in this as well. But you know what? I'm having fun playing this game. Sure! I'm having fun playing this game. I took 40 minutes. That's not good. That's a C rank right there. Yeah. And I have a lot of other games that I need to play. What was that? Oh, it was probably the cats. I heard a noise and it scared me. Anyway, yeah. We're getting close to the end of this section. This one's taking a lot longer than I thought it would. This is actually where my knowledge stops. In memory to... In the memory of the stages. I don't remember these two. And anything afterwards. So it might take me a little bit longer to get through this game than I thought it would. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. As I said before, I'm severely enjoying this. I love Klonoa so much, and I am going to finish this regardless how long it takes me. And this game gets really hard. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay crazy, my friends.